I get a lot of questions about how I clean my Deluxe Air Fryer rotisserie basket. So as you can see here, it is pretty gross from the pitas I just made. So you'll see there's burnt stuff all over the place. We're just gonna set it in some water and we're just gonna leave it there for, I don't know, 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna roll it around a little bit. Now I'm gonna leave it there for about 10 minutes. Next, I'm gonna need one of these nylon brushes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Check out the color of this water. Yuck. All right, so now we're just going to, let's see if I can do this one-handed. I'm gonna take that nylon brush I was talking about, and we're just going to rub this everywhere. I don't know if I can do it with one-handed, but as long as you have a nylon brush, this thing, you see it? It's already sparkling where I brushed. I only brushed on that side. So just a couple seconds of scrubbing, this thing is gonna be sparkling clean. Watch this. Something about the nylon brush getting into all those little holes makes it come 100% clean and shiny new. It is by far the easiest way, and it takes 2 minutes, and it is sparkling clean, just like the first time that I used it. And just like that, it is completely clean, like new. And all I used was soap, water, and this little nylon brush. Literally spotless. I hope that helps someone. Enjoy your basket.